up, everybody? It's your boy Hollywood, working on 5.4 3-valve liter Triton motor. Getting no spark. I'm getting some brand new. Well, let me start from the beginning. I put a brand new spark plug and also a new coil in cylinder 5. Getting no power out of it whatsoever. So I got this magnet here. Took it back out and you won't believe this may be like the 10th time I pulled out this much stuff out of there. It's all on my hands. Hopefully this is what the issue is. It's some type of, I don't know, it's sticking to a magnet. Maybe it's some type of, you see, it's going in clean. I mean, it was a lot at first. I had no idea this was gonna work. I just sorry about that. Focusing. Look at that. That's crazy. I'm about sure this is the reason why I'm getting no spark. It's a good thing to clean these cylinders out if you're having random misfires after checking the coil packs and spark plugs. And, you know, you check the rail and everything and all the lines along the rail. And if that's not it, maybe it's this helpful tip. This is crazy. If anybody know what this is or what's going on with this cylinder, let me know.